Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, GIJO Gadgets. Yes, today I'll be unboxing a new notebook here. Okay, so before I proceed, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell for future video. Thank you. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be unboxing a new notebook here. Okay, so as you can see on my table, right? So this is the box, right? So let me just unbox and see and show you. So it's still fully sealed, huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is the Acer Swift 5. Okay, and it came along with Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 included with this PC. Okay, so this is it. So it's still fully sealed, right? Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Okay. So it's white color, and this is the notebook. Okay, and it came with a manual book, right? Manual book, and also okay. So this is the notebook. The book, you can see, is quite dark. So it came with the power cable and also power adapter, right? Okay. Let's put aside. So this is it. This is the new notebook. It's packing with this what do you call this? Plastic package, fully sealed. Okay. There you are. It's white color. Okay, so this is Acer Swift 5, right? Acer Swift 5. Okay, so it's very thin, as you can see. Okay, with HDMI port, USB, and also USB Type C port. Right? I'll show you the specification later. So without a CD-ROM drive. Okay, nowadays it's without a CD-ROM drive. Okay, it's very neat and tidy and very small. Okay, very light. So this is estimation. It's 1 kilo. Okay, less than 1 kilo actually. This model. Right. So let's power up and see. Wow. Nice, nice. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Cantik, oh. The screen also very white, borderless. Okay, see, borderless. Okay, so let me show you the specification on the net. Okay, as you can see, this is the website from Acer Malaysia. So as you can see, there's pricing here. Okay, yeah, the specification comes with Windows 10 and it is Intel Core i5 processor, and also this come with NVIDIA GeForce MX 350. Okay, There's the video card, and then the rest of the specification are here. As you can see, I will be put it on the description box below. And the standard memory is 8 gig. Okay, and this memory type is LPDDR4, not able to be upgraded in the future. Okay, and the storage hard disk is a solid state drive, 512 gigabyte. Okay, and there's no DVD drive as I mentioned just now. And okay, and the printing device, okay, touchpad. If I'm not mistaken, this is touchscreen as well. Okay, let's find out. Yes, so this is touchscreen. Okay, yes, multi touchscreen. Okay, so I think this is a good notebook. So let me try power up first. I have to connect to the power source for power up for the first time. As mentioned here, your notebook tablet is plugged into an AC power supply to activate the battery before you turn it on for the first time. So, okay, so I'll be plugging in and try to power up. So this is the standard power cable and a power adapter, right? So I'll be connecting to this power board. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it's connected. All right. I don't see any indicator that it's been LED light come up. Okay, never mind. So we just power up now. There you are. It's been powered up and the screen shows Acer, right? The keyboard comes with LED light. Okay, it's very bright. Oh wow, the LED is very bright, very nice. Full HD 1080. So let's just wait while it's been booting up. Okay, so now is the setup. Continue and select the language, English. Okay, yes. This is it. Look at the display. Oh, perfect. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, very fast. Wow. So let's try a screen. So look at it. I'm touching the screen to do the selection. Okay. Let me try to do this. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so let me unplug the power first. See if I can just bend this as a tablet. Oh no. So this model cannot be bent as a tablet, okay? So this is the maximum angle. Alright. So this is the maximum angle. You can't bend it anymore. Alright. Oh, I love this. Okay. So I think that's about it. Right? That's about it. Very light, very neat and tidy. try on again. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, so I think that's all for today. So thank you for watching.